Welcome to
where you can find the DepEd updates and answers. Kung bago ka lang sa channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para palagi kang updated sa DepEd updates. Wow! Good news again mga kaguro. The Department of Education aims to implement twice-a-month release of salary for public school teachers and other personnel by downloading the payroll processing to schools division offices. Ito ay kinumpirma ni Secretary Annalyn Sibilia sa virtual press briefing noong Lunes, June 21, 2021 sa selebrasyon ng 123rd founding anniversary of DepEd. According again to Sibilia, once-a-month salary releases to DepEd personnel at the field units contributed to the issue on personal financial management of teachers. She also added that if the salary of personnel is released on a twice-a-month basis, the wide gap existing in the present setup of once-a-month basis shall be closed. Ito ay isang estratehiya para ang mga guro ay hindi mapaon sa loan. The implementation of the twice-a-month salary release for both teaching and non-teaching personnel, Secretary Sibilia added, will greatly depend on the readiness of interested schools division offices to prepare their own payrolls. Sibilia said that this shall be evaluated by the Regional Automatic Payroll Deduction System Task Force and the Information and Communication Technology Service. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat sa panonood.